Alright, so I have a bunch of new pickups I'm going to share with you guys in this video. In particular, one special that I will save for the end. These showed up a few days ago, but I've been waiting to do this unboxing. But I also have another pair of sneakers, some New Balance joints right here. I also have a few new clothing pickups that I'm going to share with you guys as well. So let's get into all that right now. Starting things off with 3 lightweight jackets that I got from Zara. These were on sale for like $15 to $20 each, and they are good transition from winter to spring jackets. First up is this Harrington jacket, lightweight in navy, and this is just like a fun jacket. It's got some crazy embroidery in the back that says Island Life in Hawaii. You got a volcano, a palm tree, and some flowers. These type of designs I typically don't wear very often, but if I do, it's in the springtime. So, you know, you're kind of in hibernation in the winter, and I wear a lot of like toned down colors in the winter time, but when spring rolls around, I like to come out swinging and bring some poppin' colors out into the mix. So I thought this embroidered Harrington jacket would be nice. Full zip, couple front pockets, and then a stand-up collar. This was like 15 bucks. I might wear it once or twice and get my money's worth. Next up is a super lightweight bomber jacket. This is done in a light gray. The color is broken up a little bit by this charcoal gray collar. It's also present at the bottom of the jacket. Just a simple, easy to throw on, lightweight jacket, which is perfect for the springtime. And then last up, I've got an all white bomber jacket, and this thing is totally dangerous because I will stain this the first time that I wear it. But that $15, $20 price tag got me to do it, because sometimes you can pull off an all-white bomber jacket and it looks dope. The inside has this sweatpant gray material. Scooped all 3 of these joints for the low, and I might start picking up a few things from Zara. There's some track jackets on there that I like as well. Let me know your thoughts on Zara. Have you ever picked up anything there and worn it for a good amount of time? Because I feel like everything I've ever gotten from there, I didn't really wear much. So, you know, I may start shopping there a little bit more. I prefer Top Man, I prefer The Gap. Places like that, I usually look before Zara. So let me know your thoughts on Zara down in the comment section. Moving on, we got a pair of New Balance sneakers, and I've had these since like August. And I just unboxed them by myself because I was like, yo, what are these? I just left them in the box and totally forgot about them. They're actually from Villa. They sent them over to me, and I just slept on them. I just like put the package in the way back of my closet and had forgotten about them. So here we go. We've got the 574 Sport from New Balance, and this is pretty much an updated version of the 574. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on these, but I do think that they are super clean. They swapped that old school tongue out for a booty-like construction. It's more of a mid-cut. There's a pull tab, and then you have this knit-like fabric on the toe box. I actually saw someone wearing these in Boston like a month ago, and they looked pretty clean on feet, and I was like, damn, I need to get a pair of those, and little did I know that they were actually just sitting in my closet. So thank you to Villa, thank you to New Balance, and I'll be wearing these this spring for sure. All right, keeping it moving, I have an absolute fire pickup from Noah NYC, and this was actually a gift. My brother gave this to me, and I'm super hyped on it. He lives in New York City, and he picked this up from the Noah store. I'm so hyped on this thing, man. It's got the classic Noah logo on the front, done in a corduroy material, stitched in there. The quality on this thing is insane. It also has a kangaroo pouch that you typically would see on a hooded sweatshirt. This is a crew neck, but it works on here because the thing is all black. It kind of just blends in there. If you're unfamiliar with Noah, get familiar. Top-notch quality on all their stuff. They explain why their stuff is priced the way it is, where it's made. There's just so much about this brand that I think is really cool, and a lot of people appreciate it. It's got a nice cult following behind it, so definitely check out Noah NYC if you're unfamiliar. I needed an all-black crew neck sweatshirt just like this, so shout out to my brother for hooking me up with this joint. Okay, so the last clothing pickup is a steal. This is a twill flannel shirt jacket from the Gap, and I got this for $20 hairs. This joint, I'm hyped on, man. I can be hyped on a $20 shirt. Just let me be hyped on a $20 shirt. Look at the colors on here. For one, it's this off-white cream color, which goes with a ton of sneakers that I've already shown you guys. Same thing with the royal blue and the red. There's also a brown thrown in there. Another thing that's cool is the vertical pattern is bold and it pops a little bit, but the horizontal pattern is a little bit faded. So you can really only see it if you bring the shirt up close. I like the material as well. It's a heavy twill, so it feels like a jacket, and that can be perfect for this time of year when the spring season is rolling around. I should probably make a video about the transition from winter to spring, right? Just that small time of the year when you need windbreakers and coach's jackets and denim jackets and stuff like that. I'll make a video. But anyway, I was hyped on getting this for $20. Gap flannels fit me great. If there's any of these left, I will link them down below, as well as the promo code that I used. I also grabbed a few other colors that I will show you guys in a future video. All right, man, last but certainly not least, if you guys saw my gold toe Jordan 1 unboxing, I mentioned that I got this sneaker that I'm gonna show you guys in a second. These things have just been chilling in the box, and it's just been absolutely killing me. No. Woosah. No. 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 Footlocker. I hate you. I hate you, Footlocker. I hate you, Footlocker. For one, the receipt here is for kids Footlocker, which I am certainly not. And these are for a woman named Quenisha in Illinois. I could tell right from the jump that this box is a little bit small. Motherfucker. Motherfucker, I hate you, Footlocker. Notice anything different? So, it's at least the right shoe. We've got the Bred toe ones in a size 7 youth. Oh, Footlocker, I hate you so much. And you know what sucks about this? There's no way that they have my size. They're not gonna be like, yeah, sorry about that. Let me just ship you that size 11 real quick. Just, you know, return those ones. Do you mind? No, not gonna happen. You're gonna call them up, they'll be like, yeah, sorry, man. If I had a pair to give you, I would. Like, this has happened to me before. It sucks because these are really nice. The quality's on point. I wanted these Bred toes, man. Motherfucker. And these retailed for $120, and the men's retailed for $160. So they're screwing me there on 40 bucks. That sucks so bad. If these were at least a men's size, even if they weren't mine, I could maybe sell them and use that money to get another pair or something like that, but I'm screwed. There's nothing that I can do with these. I highly doubt that anyone is looking to size swap a size 11 for a 7 youth. Footlocker, I hate you. All right, well, this video did not end the way I was hoping it would, and I don't know. I don't even want to call Footlocker customer service. Calling these places is so annoying. Yeah, we're experiencing a higher caller volume than normal. Please wait. And then you wait for like 30 minutes and you're like, it's 2 o'clock on a Wednesday. How the hell am I waiting this long? Like, I hate it. I hate everything about this. I gotta end the video here or I'm gonna ruin my chances of ever working with Footlocker or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me take this L. Hit the thumbs up, I guess, if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if this is the first time you're checking out one of my videos, because I typically don't buy youth sneakers. That's a wrap though. Go check out that Jordan lookbook if you missed it. One of the best videos that I ever did. So we'll end this on a positive note. Jordan lookbook, one of my favorite videos I've ever done. Go watch it. It dropped a few days ago. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.